Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Alex Coffey here to take you through today's market action. The S&P tapped a new all-time high. Most stocks closing in the green. It gained 0.5%, but the Russell and the NASDAQ, they led the market action higher, gaining 1.3% and 0.7% respectively. The Dow closed just under the flat line, but largely unchanged. As for the sectors, energy-powered trading action with a 1.7% rally. Tech and materials each tacked on gains of 1.3%. Healthcare and utilities slipped the most, falling close to 1% each. Turning to today's stock movers, Tesla shares accelerated despite the company reporting a 14% decline in quarterly vehicle deliveries, the worst in the company's history. Its 384,000 car sales fell slightly under Wall Street estimates, but climbed from the 337,000 in the first quarter. Tesla rallied 5% today, but still remains 2.5% lower on the week. Sticking within the Magnificent Seven, the information reported that Microsoft is shifting its focus to less ambitious designs for its AI chips through 2028. The company will reportedly make the move as it works to address development delays. The big tech firm announced plans to lay off another 9,000 workers. This comes after Microsoft announced laying off 6,000 product and software development workers in May. Centene shares sold off 40% to 8-year lows after withdrawing its full year 2025 guidance. Other healthcare stocks tumbled alongside the company. The company cited lower than expected revenue from most states where it offers its healthcare plans. Federal subsidies expiring at the end of the year, paired with healthcare cuts included in the big, beautiful bill, add to staggering headwinds against Centene. No earnings on the calendar for tomorrow, but we will have a slew of economic data to close the holiday shorting trading week. We'll get the latest print, of course, on non-farm payrolls at 8:30 Eastern, 1 hour before the opening bell. Also keep an eye out for the latest on international trade and jobless claims. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Alex Coffey. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.